bouncing pigtails, stands radiant with anticipation. Beside her, Tinker, a small robot, whirs softly, its lights blinking in eager support. Mrs.RAY beams, her glasses catching the sunlight as she watches over her student. A miniature rocket gleams, a silver promise poised for launch on its pad. The rocket awaits, a beacon of dreams set against the clear sky. Excitement hangs heavy in the air, a moment of thrilling possibility. Inside the rocket, Luna and Tinker sit, anticipation building as they strap themselves securely into their seats. The cramped confines of the rocket hum with latent power, dials glowing, ready for their journey. Luna exchanges an excited glance with Tinker, a shared dream about to take flight. Mrs.RAY's voice crackles over the comms, a final, encouraging reminder. Ready for launch, team? Remember, curiosity is the fuel. Her words ignite the last spark of excitement before the unknown. The rocket ascends, piercing the blue veil of Earth's atmosphere, a fiery trail blazing behind it. Luna and Tinker, silhouetted against the bright window, watch Earth shrink below, wonder in their eyes. The curve of Earth recedes, replaced by the infinite black canvas dotted with distant stars. Weightless, Luna reaches out a hand, as if to touch the swirling blues and greens of their home. Tinker's face is bathed in the soft glow of space, a silent promise of adventure etched upon it. Inside the rocket, Luna and Tinker face the control panel, their expressions mirroring the urgency of their mission. Blinking lights and digital displays cast an ethereal glow on their determined faces. The air vibrates with the deep thrum of the rocket's engines, a constant physical reminder of the journey ahead. Tinker's focused gaze is fixed on the data streams, ensuring every calculation is precise. Analyzing trajectory, AI guidance systems are optimal, Tinker announces, her voice steady amidst the mechanical symphony. Luna nods, her trust evident, as they prepare to break free from Earth's gravity. Against the black void, a lone rocket soars, a fragile beacon in the vast expanse. The vessel approaches a graveyard of forgotten dreams, a field of space debris. Old satellites drift silently, their once vital functions now obsolete, ghostly relic. Rocket parts, twisted and broken, float aimlessly, a cosmic junkyard. Silent frozen monuments to ambition, these fragments tell tales of journeys ended. Inside the cramped rocket, wires and equipment create a chaotic maze under a stream of sunlight. Dust motes dance in the sunlit air, highlighting the confined reality of their journey. Luna surveys the disarray, her expression a mix of concern and determination. It's so cluttered. How do we get through this? Luna asks, her voice echoing slightly in the small space. A single porthole frames the vastness of space, a silent challenge to their cluttered surroundings. In the silent void, a spacecraft looms, its metallic shell gleaming under the distant sun. Robotic arms extend gracefully like dancers in zero gravity, initiating their delicate work. Debris drifts aimlessly, each piece a potential hazard in the infinite expanse. Tinker's voice echoes, explaining the mission's purpose. AI-powered robots are programmed to identify and collect dangerous objects. The robots work tirelessly, ensuring the safety of the cosmos, their actions precise and purposeful. Inside the rocket, Luna observes the robots on a monitor, their metallic forms busy with tasks. Luna's brow furrows slightly as she watches a question forming on her lips. So they're like space janitors? Luna asks, her voice echoing slightly in the confined space. The robots continue their work, oblivious to Luna's question, the hum of their motors filling the air. In the stark expanse of space, robots move with cold precision, their metallic bodies gleaming under the distant sun. Laser beams cut through the void, vaporizing space debris with bursts of intense energy. Precisely, reducing the risk of collisions, Tinker's voice echoes, a testament to their efficiency. Debris vanishes into cosmic dust, ensuring the safety of future space travel. Inside the rocket, a symphony of technology unfolds as control panels blink, casting an ethereal glow on the focused team. Monitors display a mesmerizing dance of complex data streams, painting a vivid picture of the mission's progress. The rocket hums with purposeful energy, each vibration a testament to human ingenuity and determination. Mrs.RAY's voice rings out, filled with pride and gratitude. Excellent work, team. You're making space safer for everyone. Her words echo through the cabin, a beacon of encouragement and recognition for the tireless efforts of the crew. Against the desolate red horizon, the rocket descends, a fiery beacon against the alien landscape. The ground trembles as the rocket touches down on the Martian surface, dust billowing around its metallic frame. A panoramic view reveals a vast rocky expanse, painted in shades of red and ochre under the distant sun. Silent and imposing, the rocket stands as a solitary sentinel on the stark, unforgiving plains of Mars. The red planet unfolds in a symphony of desolation and grandeur, a new chapter for human exploration. Inside the rocket, Luna and Tinker ready themselves, the fate of their mission resting on their shoulders. The hum of the spacecraft fills the small space as they meticulously don their spacesuits. The visors click into place, sealing them off from the world as anticipation fills the air. Luna adjusts her helmet, a determined glint in her eyes reflecting the distant stars. She turns to Tinker, a question and a challenge in her gaze. Ready to explore the red planet? Tinker nods, his own suit gleaming, a shared dream about to become reality. Under a weak sun, Luna and Tinker traverse the desolate red Martian surface, their figures stark against the alien landscape. Dust swirls around their boots, each step a testament to human presence on this barren world. In the distance, a habitat dome shimmers, a beacon of hope amidst the desolation. The dome promises warmth and life, a stark contrast to the cold, unforgiving expanse surrounding them. Luna pauses, her gaze fixed on the distant dome, a mix of awe and determination in her eyes. Tinker walks on his silhouette, a lonely sentinel against the backdrop of the Martian horizon. The habitat dome opens, revealing a new world. ARES, an advanced AI appears. Ares's voice echoes, "Welcome to Mars. I manage the habitat and resources. Hope and apprehension mix as they step onto Martian soil. On the desolate Mars surface, Ares leads the way across the red terrain. Dust devils swirl in the distance. A vast field of solar panels gleams under the weak Martian sun. The panels stretch far, a testament to human ingenuity. Ares explains, A optimizes energy production and distribution. Hope flickers in the harsh landscape. Inside the habitat dome, vibrant plants flourish beneath the glow of artificial sun, filling the air with the scent of fresh greens. Ares gestures expansively, showcasing the thriving hydroponics lab, where life bursts forth in controlled abundance. The humid air hangs heavy, a testament to the delicate balance maintained within this artificial ecosystem. AI monitors the environment, Ares declares, a subtle nod to the unseen guardians of this green haven. The lights hum softly, nurturing the growing plants. Ares surveys the scene with a sense of accomplishment. Under the alien sun, robots diligently shape the red Martian soil, their metallic bodies gleaming with tireless purpose. A hive of activity unfolds as the robots construct structures, turning the barren landscape into a nascent civilization. Each movement is precise, each structure rising with unwavering accuracy, a testament to their programming. AI controls the robots to construct habitats and infrastructure, Ares states, his voice echoing in the thin air. Habitats begin to take shape, promising shelter against the harsh Martian elements. Infrastructure spreads, laying the foundation for a new colony under the watchful gaze of the Earth. Sunlight streams into the habitat dome, illuminating dust motes, dancing in the artificial atmosphere. Luna, clad in a Mars exploration suit, stands expectantly, a beacon of youthful hope. Her eyes reflect the light, a silent question hanging in the air, full of anticipation. The dome hums softly, a manufactured haven against the harsh Martian landscape. So, AI is helping us live on Mars? Luna asks, her voice echoing slightly in the enclosed space. Under a pale sky, Mars unfolds a desolate, red expanse where silence reigns. Dust devils dance in the distance, ethereal figures in this barren theatre. A lone figure, Ares, surveys the landscape, his presence a stark contrast to the Martian solitude. His voice cuts through the silence, a declaration of purpose. Indeed, AI is essential for survival and expansion. Ares's gaze sweeps across the red horizon, a vision of humanity's future echoing in his words. Inside the rocket, Luna and Tinker are surrounded by a symphony of blinking lights and humming machinery. Strapped into their seats, they share a glance of anticipation, ready for the journey back home. Luna's voice rings with awe and excitement. Mars is amazing. AI is making it possible. Tinker nods, his gaze fixed on the control panel, a mix of pride and determination in his eyes. The rocket shudders slightly as the engines ignite, signalling the start of their voyage through the stars. Against the rusty Martian landscape, a sleek silver rocket ignites, a fiery promise against the alien soil. Flames engulf the base as the rocket ascends, defying gravity's pull on its journey homeward. Mars recedes, its red hues fading as the black void of space embraces the ascending vessel. The endless cosmos stretches before them, a stark and silent welcome to the travelers returning to Earth. Inside the rocket, a low thrum vibrates through the sterile cabin, a constant reminder of the journey. Letters flicker with complex data streams, a silent language of exploration and discovery. The interior is a study in functionality, every surface designed for purpose, every tool within reach. Tinker's voice cuts through the hum, a calm assurance in the vast emptiness of space. Mission successful. Data collected, Tinker reports, a milestone reached in the grand cosmic quest. AI systems performing within expected parameters, she adds, confirming the precision of her team's work. Against the blue expanse, the rocket descends, a fiery streak against the serene sky. The rocket touches down gently in the schoolyard, kicking up dust. The crowd of children erupts in cheers as they witness the successful landing. Mrs.RAY stands waiting, her expression a mix of relief and anticipation. The hatch hisses open, revealing the returning explorers, weary but triumphant. Mrs.RAY's eyes shine with pride as she watches her students emerge. Bathed in sunlight, the schoolyard buzzes with youthful energy as Mrs.RAY smiles warmly at Luna and Tinker. A gentle breeze whispers through the leaves, creating dappled shadows that dance across the scene. Mrs.RAY's eyes sparkle with enthusiasm as she gestures towards the open sky. You've seen how AI is making space safer and opening up new possibilities, Mrs.RAY says. The children listen intently, their faces filled with curiosity and wonder. In the vibrant schoolyard, Luna's radiant smile shines as bright as the midday sun. The joyous sounds of children at play fill the air, a symphony of youthful exuberance. Luna gazes at the children, her smile widening with hope. Places safer, cleaner, and full of new possibilities, all thanks to AI, Luna proclaims with conviction. Her words hang in the air, blending with the laughter of children, painting a bright future.